You've seen it before, an uneven concrete panel in your walkway or driveway, maybe even some separation between your wall and floor. You justify it by thinking it's not hurting anything. Well, here's the bad news. The longer you wait, the more it'll hurt your wallet. Hi, my name is Eduardo with Arizona Foundation Solutions. In this video, we will go over in detail about our Polylevel product, including the features and cost, among other things. By the end of this video, I hope you gain a better understanding about Polylevel and if this is the right solution for you and your uneven concrete. Polyurethanes are best known to the public in the form of flexible foams, like upholstery cushions, mattresses, caulking, etc. Spray foam insulation and foam filler within shells of watercraft are other examples most similar to the line of Polylevel products. Polylevel expanding foams are most often used beneath concrete sidewalks and pavement for stabilization or re-leveling, but are also utilized for interior work and other specialty applications. Polylevel foam is injected to fill voids and allow for lifting. Polylevel allows for undersealing of the area, minimizing the likelihood of any further washout and acting to again provide uniform support to the bridged concrete. Foam can be injected to create lift without adding significant weight to the underlying soil. Lifting takes place as a result of a controlled chemical reaction under the slab compared to mudjacking, which relies on hydraulic pressure being contained under the slab. When mudjacking slurry blows out, additional lift is not possible. Polylevel injection allows for a controlled lift that can be accurately monitored with survey equipment, string lines, or other measuring equipment. Polylevel foam restores concrete that may otherwise need to be removed and replaced. Cured foam will not degrade under the slab nor leach chemicals into the soil or groundwater. Polylevel installation equipment allows placement in tight and limited access areas. There is less mess than mudjacking and smaller holes required for installation. Like any home project that requires repair, you don't feel like you need it until you do. In the long run, it becomes more costly the longer you wait. The earlier the problem is fixed, the cheaper it will be. For the repair or driveway, you're looking at similar costs to replace your AC unit. When our crew arrives, the first step will be to set up. Polylevel foam has to be primed before injection. This will include making sure the consistency is right, so prior tests will be done to make sure it's ready for injecting under your home. A team member will drill penny-sized holes in various parts of the slab in order to fill all voids. In general, the holes are spaced 5 feet apart and 3 feet from the edges of the slab. Locations and spacings are often modified in the field to achieve the desired result. Lift may be monitored with survey equipment or string lines. The injection ports are removed and the holes are patched with mortar mix, silicone joint sealant, or epoxy sealants. These repairs are often completed in a matter of hours with immediate results, less mess and no wait time. For typical continued use of the areas, when the work is done, all the concrete sections will still match and not take on the appearance of a checkerboard. Polylevel foam cures quickly to typically allow treated areas to be reopened for use immediately after holes are patched. Polylevel foam is used to stabilize, lift, and re-level sidewalks, patios, driveways, garage slabs, and slab-on-grade concrete floors. Concrete decks surrounding swimming pools can also settle over time due to localized erosion of subgrade soils or consolidation of poorly compacted fill and backfill. If any of this matches your home's features, then Polylevel will be a great fit for you. Commercial industrial applications include similar types of projects as residential, but also include areas and facilities with heavier use, pavements. Heavy wheel loads from semi-truck can overstress subgrade soils and lead to pavement slab cracking, settlement, and faulted sections. Office and retail space are generally ideal candidates for stabilization or re-leveling with Polylevel. Now that you have an understanding of Polylevel and its application, How can it benefit you? Are you facing uneven concrete problems? Driveway or sidewalk became slanted? Don't let this become a further issue. Give us a call and set up a time for our foundation experts to inspect the status. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all your foundation needs. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.